Hi students, my name is Leanne Olivier and I'll be your instructor this semester. This is my cat Coyote. He is one of 4 cats that I inherited from my husband and share with my husband I should say, but they were his when I met him. And I brought one dog to the relationship, so she may or may not make appearances on camera this semester too. Each week I'm going to try to post a video introduction explaining what is happening for the week. But for now, I just want you guys to kind of look at the syllabus, look at the calendar, and familiarize yourselves with the class and introduce yourselves to each other on the discussion board. I hope we have a really good semester. I hope you all are doing okay in these crazy times. Please email me if you have any questions or concerns, and I will be checking in with y'all a lot. Good luck with everything, and I hope to get to know each of you a lot better over the course of the next few months. Bye for now.